Okay, thank you for the opportunity for the organizing committee for me to present my research. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Murah Aditya, and I'm a student at Udayana University. I'm excited to present on the topic effect of red flags and competence on fraud detection with professional skepticism as a moderation. Let's begin with the introduction. For the first, the reliability of financial statement represents a fundamental cornerstone in the architecture of modern financial system and serve as a critical foundation for effective economic decision making. By performing audits in accordance with professional standard, auditors verify that the information presented is free from material misstatement, whether arising from error or deliberate fraud. However, the persistent failure of auditors to detect financial statement fraud remains a significant concern. Drawing from attribution theory, which explain behavior as a function of internal and external force, and auditor fraud detection ability can be linked to specific factors. To address these inconsistencies, the study introduced professional skeptics as a moderate variable. Okay, in this research, I have three research gap for three variables in this research. You can see in this slide, the research objective, the population under study compares external auditor working in KAP in Bali. The variable in the research in first red flags, and the second competence, and professional skepticism as a moderate variable. As I continue, let's discuss about methodology. The study adopts a quantitative research design to empirically investigate the determinant of auditor fraud detection ability. The study relied on primary data collection using a self-administration questionnaire as the main research instrument. The questionnaire was carefully structured to capture perception and practice related to its construct. Now we going to the next chapter, our result and discussion. The data were analyzed using PLSM with Smart PLS for software. Beyond the hypothesis testing, the measurement model was assessed. The result confirmed that all constructs meet the required standard for reliability and validity. In the key finding, the R-square value indicate a considerable relationship between independent and dependent variable. The effect reflects to fraud detection ability is support. The effect competence to fraud detection ability is support. The effect skepticism to fraud detection ability is support. The effect reflects skepticism to fraud detection ability is not support. And skepticism to fraud detection ability is support. The result and discussion, the study confirmed that auditor competence and awareness of red flags positively enhance auditor detection. The finding of this study is that professional skepticism exerts a directly negative effect on fraud detection ability. The study also finds that skepticism significantly weakens the relationship between competence and fraud detection ability. For highly competent auditors, increased skepticism may disrupt their efficient use of judgment and experience-based heuristic. So, for implication of the research in number one, theoretical contribution. In number two, practical implication. In number three, organizational culture and smart skepticism. And number four, overall goal. The practical goal is to ensure that skepticism functions as a catalyst for enhanced audit quality rather than as a barrier to efficiency or a source of conflict. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day, everyone.